Morgan manages the office of a small graphics firm. He buys 3 black inkjet cartridges at $15 each and 2 photo inkjet cartridges at $25 each. How much does the purchase cost? Now this is a multi-step problem. We're going to first have to find out how much the black cartridges cost, then the photo cartridges, and then add them together. So, to start out, we will let B equal the cost of the black cartridges, and then we will let P represent the cost of the photo cartridges. And then finally, since we have to find the total cost, we'll let T represent the total cost of the purchase. Now when we move to step 2, the translate step, we actually have 3 statements to translate. For the black ink, we have to translate the statement, the number of cartridges times the price per cartridge is the total cost. The number of cartridges was 3 times the price per cartridge was $15, and that equals the total cost of the black cartridges, which we said was B. That gives us one equation. For the photo cartridges, we need to translate the number of cartridges times the price per cartridge is the total cost. In this case, there were 2 cartridges purchased times the price per cartridge was $25, and that equals the total cost, which we said was going to be P. Now the last statement we need to translate, the total cost, the cost of the black cartridges was B, which we're going to find, plus the cost of the photo cartridges we said was P, and that equals the cost of the purchase, the total cost of the purchase, which we said was T. So we now have 3 equations to solve in our solve step. Now, fortunately, none of them will take a long time to solve. For the first one, 3 times 15 equals B. We simply need to multiply 3 times 15, and we get 45 equals B. For the second one, 2 times 25 equals P. Well, 2 times 25 is 50, so we get 50 equals P. And then for the final one, we now know B and P. So we can substitute 45 for B and 50 for P, and that equals T. 45 plus 50 is 95, so 95 equals T. Now the fourth step is to check, and to check we could repeat the calculations. We could also think of adding all of the cartridges together separately. 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 25 plus 25, and that would give us $95 also. Just calculating a different way is a good check. And the fifth step is to state our answer. The total cost of the purchase is $95.